Ever since childhood, I always wanted to fly. The reason is because I always wanted to be able to see the world from the air. Today I get to experience this with quadcopter drones, and this is now my most favorite hobby. I started about a year ago when a friend of mine told me that he had gotten into the hobby and that it actually had become quite affordable. He told me about how much fun he was having, and it really made me want to do it as well. He ended up giving me a small miniature quadcopter, and that was wonderful because I used it to learn and practice before I graduated to a more longer range drone quadcopter. I remember the first night I got that longer range drone quadcopter. I wasn't able to fly it until I got home later in the evening, and after flying it for only about 1 to 2 minutes, I got it stuck in a tree. After that, I went inside and studied on YouTube to figure out how to get drone out of tree, and I ended up getting pretty good at getting the drone out of the tree. I did it time and time again. But today, I get to have a wonderful time with my GPS enabled drone that I get to program, and it also has a camera. So I really enjoy programming the GPS drone and going out and flying and taking great video footage, which is another wonderful hobby I have, but that's a story for another day.